My dear students, good morning. Today I am going to tell you mirror and its types. See, what is mirror? Mirror is a reflector. Mirror is a reflector of light. You may write the reflector of light energy. If you want to see your face, you use a glass mirror, which you say aina, right? Sometimes you can see your face image in clean water as well as any polished surface. Suppose you may say plywood, right? So these are reflector and they act as mirror, right? Mirror that is here I am telling you especially about the glass mirror. That is, mirror is a shiny and smooth surface of an object which another surface, opposite surface, is painted so this is mirror. Let consider this as mirror and suppose this is the reflecting surface, right? Shiny and smooth surface. So it's just another opposite surface. That is here this one. This is the reflecting surface and this is the just opposite surface is painted with silver oxide, iron oxide or lead oxide. So this is mirror. Mirror is classified in two groups on the basis of the nature of its reflecting surface. That is, on the basis of the nature of reflecting surface, mirror can be classified in two groups. Number one, plane mirror. And second one, spherical mirror or curved mirror. Curved mirror. That is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Plane mirror. A mirror having plane reflecting surface, plane reflecting surface is called plane mirror. Example, just you see, you use a mirror in your daily life to see your face, right? Actually, see, plane mirror is represented by figure in this way. This is a very thin glass strip, and if you paint its one surface like this, that is this symbol shows that is the, one surface of a thin glass sheet has been painted. So here another surface will be the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Reflecting surface and painted surface. Painted surface. Right? So this is about the plane mirror. One thing more here, plane mirror always produces parallel beam of light after a reflection. Plane mirror always produces parallel beam of light after reflection. Reflection, parallel beam of light. If a parallel beam of light falls on the surface of a plane mirror, we get parallel beam of light. Second thing, see about the curved mirror or spherical mirror. A mirror having curved reflecting surface is called curved mirror. That is just see, plane mirror, a mirror which reflecting surface is plane. Curved mirror, a mirror which reflecting surface is curved. Not plane, curved. This is the plane surface, right? Plane surface, this one. But suppose a mirror is in this shape, then in case of a curved object, suppose an object is in the curvature form. So its one surface will be concave and another surface will be convex. Here, what will you say? This surface is called as concave surface and this surface is called as convex surface, you can take an example of steel spoon. Have you seen steel spoon? You can easily see the concave surface and convex surface. Bulging out surface is convex, whereas sunken, daba hua, right, surface is called as concave. So here the reflecting surface is concave or convex. On this basis, curved mirror is of two types. Concave mirror and second, convex mirror. Convex mirror. This is concave mirror. Just first of all, see, this is a curved object having two surfaces. This surface is concave, concave surface, concave surface, and this surface is what? Convex. Just see here, you see that is here this condition, compare it. This is concave and this one is convex, bulging out surface. So see here, if the concave surface is the reflecting surface, when the concave surface is the reflecting surface, that is convex surface is painted, right? So this is concave mirror, concave mirror. And second thing, when convex surface is the reflecting surface, then it is called as convex mirror, right? Here this is convex surface, compare it with, right? So this is concave, reflecting surface is concave, and here in case of convex mirror, reflecting surface is convex. Right? See here. So concave mirror can be defined as concave mirror or a mirror, a curved mirror having or which reflecting surface is concave. Is called concave mirror. Concave mirror. Right? In curved mirror, which reflecting surface is convex, is called convex mirror. This is the definition about concave mirror and convex mirror. One thing more. How can you differentiate between concave mirror and convex mirror? That is, in concave mirror, reflecting surface is concave, whereas in convex mirror, reflecting surface is convex. In concave mirror, convex surface is painted, whereas in convex mirror, concave surface is painted. Right? So, from the structure point of view, that is on the basis of shape, you can differentiate concave mirror and convex mirror in these two ways. That is, these are 2 points to differentiate between concave mirror and convex mirror. Right? One thing more, concave mirror produces parallel beam of light as well as convergent beam of light. Parallel beam of light, concave mirror produces convergent and convergent beam of light and parallel beam of light after reflection. Convex mirror produces divergent beam of light after reflection. So these are about the differences between concave mirror and convex mirror. Take some questions as homework. Define mirror. How can you make a thin plain glass strip or glass sheet how can you make a plain mirror using a thin glass sheet? Question mark. Question number 3. Define plane mirror and draw its figure. Question number 4. Define curved mirror and write its 2 types. Question number 5. Write three differences between concave mirror and convex mirror.